Hey guys, this next video, the customer drove their SUV through the door. Broke the bottom section. It was a lot of fun. Check it out. In the life of a garage door guy. This is what I got. Totally popped out of the opening. It's busted up. Got a roller missing. The strut is bent. Looks like it's been worked on, so. Alright, we'll see what happens. Alright guys, here's the first test run. Haven't even ran it yet. Got it all put back together. So far so good. Old LiftMaster screwdriver. Older one. Alright, there we go.
Hell yeah!
This is a wood door and there's 3 sections. It's turning in a 12-inch radius track, so that tells you anything if you're a garage door guy. Works like crap going up and down by hand. Really should have like a 15-inch radius, but they don't have room to do that. As you can see, the spring line is all the way to the ceiling. That was easy repair. Just pulled the section back with some C-clamps and put some ring shank nails to hold it on the front side. Took off the bent strut on the bottom, put on a nice straight one. A straight strut going across there. There's the front. It's all cracked in half. This part couldn't salvage, but I squeezed that back into place with some C clamps, ring shank nails just to hold it. I mean, it is what it is. It's going to work for them, and that's what we want. You know, we want it to work until they figure out what they want to do with maybe a new setup, or they'll ride this one a little longer. All the way down. There we go. Got a little bit of daylight. That bottom rubber's kind of chewed up. Opener's offset. Alright guys, thanks. Day in the life of a garage door guy.